We are the Bastard Sons of Johnny Cash out of Austin, Texas, and this is the last of the music series here at the ranch for the year. Then they can go back to doing whatever it is they do, ranching and living their lives in between. But thanks for being a part of these music series. You guys are what make it happen, and this is why we're here for you, and we're so grateful. Kiss my knee, break the skin like you made it. Scar me deep, so deep time can't even heal it. I've been running, never looking back. It's gone straight to hell on a one-way track. So I can write a song for you. Are you scared, honey? I got madness in my blood. Are you strong, baby? Can you hold me down when those hurricanes come? I'm 2 steps forward and 10 miles back. So I can write a song for you. Yeah. Wow, thank you.